welcome to Turbulent Academy. In this video, we'll see what is the usage of writing engineering sciences GATE paper. So many people are now very curious because GATE committee has allowed us to choose two papers as an optional one. So one is primary and other is secondary. And the secondary we have this engineering sciences paper. Many people are skeptical. What is the use? Will there be any use for me while writing engineering sciences paper, because it has only one subject? So in this, if you could see, will it be useful for a job, will it be useful for higher studies, and all those stuff we'll be seeing in this particular video, if you could see. Now, what is the need to write engineering sciences paper? So for the people who are out of the stream, like they are not related with the major stream, there will be mechatronics, there will be some other subjects in which you can't go ahead with the GATE paper, right? So for those students, you can choose engineering sciences and choose the rest of the things which is following up them actually. So for the people who are out of stream, not in the major course stream, could choose this particular engineering sciences. Next is that engineering sciences paper has comparatively very less competition with very less syllabus. Okay, if you could take mechanical subject, we have 24 subjects on the whole. In this engineering sciences paper, if you could see, we'll have only about 2 subjects, just 2. 24 compared to 2. Okay, you'll know what is the difference. Preparing 2 subjects for 1 year and preparing 24 subjects for 1 year makes a lot of difference, right? So that one important advantage is there. Next is, if you want to opt for higher studies, this is going to be a game changer for you. Let's say for a mechanical, because Turbulent Academy is exclusive for mechanical. If you could see it in this way, choosing fluid mechanics, you could choose to any fluid lab all over the IITs. You could apply to IIT Madras. All the IITs will take you into the master's program. It might be MTech or it might be MS, we are not sure, but they will take inside. They have some weightage calculation which we are not aware of, but using an XC score, using a good engineering sciences mark, you could get a seat in IIT Madras or IIT Kanpur, Kharagpur, Bangalore, IISc Bangalore, particularly whatever stuff you want to, you can go inside. Keep that in mind. Just by writing 2 subjects, just by preparing for 2 subjects, you could get a seat in IIT. Okay, one important thing. Next is that very selective PSU. If you want to go for a job, don't go for this for sure. If you want to go for a job, if you are planning to go for any PSUs, don't go for this. They ask only for core major streams like mechanical, electrical, electronics and all those stuff. So don't be going for engineering sciences if you want to go for a job. If you want to go for higher studies, engineering sciences is going to give a very good break to you. You could just study 2 subjects and you could go on by studying the main thing. That's what I said. Particularly for higher studies, you could choose this engineering sciences paper and you could go on. Now if you could see the pattern, actually it has about general aptitude 15 marks, mathematics 15 marks, and from that engineering sciences, the list you saw, you have to choose 2 papers. I'll say what are all those. And next is that first paper. Among those 2 papers, first paper, let's say if it's fluid mechanics, from fluid mechanics you'll have 35 marks. Let's say if it's solid mechanics or mechanics of material, from that you'll have 35 marks. If you choose thermodynamics and fluid mechanics, you will have fluid mechanics 35 and thermodynamics 35 marks. Okay, so this is the way it is designed. So now by choosing this, by writing just preparing just by preparing 2 subjects, you would be able to gain an admission inside IIT. You could get an INTN tag as such. Okay, that's a really important thing which you all need to know. Now we'll see the brochure regarding the same. Now they have said that they have given general aptitude 15 marks, engineering mathematics compulsory 15 marks, and if you could see 30 marks as covered. They have said any 2 of XC sections B to H. So from B to H, I'll show you what is B to H. So from B to H, you'll have to choose 2, which has about fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, thermodynamics, food technology, polymer, and many subjects are there. I will be able to show you that. It's not at all a great deal. Now if you could see, choose 2 papers, prepare for that, and you will be able to score 70 marks, 35 from 2 sections, 15 marks from mathematics and 15 marks from general aptitude paper. So this is what engineering sciences is all about. If you want to go for higher studies, you could really give a go at engineering sciences paper. So we were not aware of this till date, right? So you utilize this opportunity and you could just prepare for 2 subjects, get an IITN tag and go to whatever job you wish for, whatever the dream job you have. Okay, if you have more doubts, guys, let me know. And if you want to know what is B to H, B to H. From B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So from atmospheric and oceanic sciences, food technology, polymer sciences, thermodynamics, solid mechanics, material science, fluid mechanics, you could choose two among these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 papers. Among the 7 papers, choose two and start writing it. And even in the exam time, you could change the concepts, right? You are prepared to answer fluid mechanics and material sciences, and you go inside and you find material sciences paper very hard. You can even change it to solid mechanics while writing. Okay, so this is one of the advantages they give us. So this is all about engineering sciences paper. If you have any doubts, comment it out in the comment section. I would love to answer all of your queries. And thank you, students. So for the people who are wishing to go for higher studies, just have this as a backup. Thank you.